morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Quickly take out your EVS books, and I'm Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. So, children, we were discussing about rainy season, right? So, we have done till page number 20. Today, we are going to discuss page number 21 and 22. So, please open your book on page number 21. Okay, now what are we going to do is please first write the date on the top, tick on the day and the weather. Oh wow, there is one more beautiful rhyme given here, and you have to learn this rhyme. I'm writing here, I'm going to hear from each and every one. Okay, I don't want to listen any excuse, so kindly please learn this rhyme. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow, grow, grow. Wow, this is a very beautiful rhyme. Again, pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Fine. So you have to learn this rhyme. What does this rhyme is saying? Pitter patter raindrops. When the raindrops come from the sky, it falls on the ground. And then we hold the umbrella in the sky. During the rainy season, we use umbrella to keep us safe and dry so that we don't get wet. When the rain is over, when the rain gets over, what happens? The sun begins to glow. Sun comes out and little flowers start bud. And the little flowers start giving birth to, not birth, the little flowers start bud means they start blooming. Okay, and grow and grow and grow. And they then grow. Like this, the bud grows this much, then the full flowers grows. Is it clear? You have to color this beta, color this rainbow, this cloud and this sun. Okay. Now we have a beautiful kavita in Hindi also. Wow. Learn this also. Okay. Learn learn this kavita and that poem. Okay. I'm writing learn over here. एक छोटी किश्ती मेरे पास, एक छोटी किश्ती मेरे पास, वो नई बनवाई, नीली रंगवाई, और पानी में तैराई, और पानी में तैराई। एक मेंढक बैठा पानी में, एक मेंढक बैठा पानी में, उसने देखा मुझको घूरा, उसने देखा मुझको घूरा, और कूदा किश्ती में। मेरी किश्ती डगमगाई, मेरी किश्ती डगमगाई, और डूब गई पानी में, और डूब गई पानी में। वाओ। अगेन, एक छोटी किश्ती मेरे पास, एक छोटी किश्ती मेरे पास, वो नई बनवाई, नीली रंगवाई, और पानी में तैराई, और पानी में तैराई। एक मेंढक बैठा पानी में, एक मेंढक बैठा पानी में, उसने देखा मुझको घूरा, और कूदा किश्ती में। मेरी किश्ती डगमगाई, मेरी किश्ती डगमगाई, और डूब गई पानी में, और डूब गई पानी में। Is it clear? Fine. So please recite this rhyme loud and learn it. Okay? And color the rainbow. Now come to the next page, that is page number 22. All right? So now you can see on this page, before starting, write the date on the top, tick on the day and the weather. Let's read this interesting fact given here. Walking among trees in the autumn season can be a beautiful experience. The leaves under your feet crunch as you walk, and the red colored leaves on the trees look pretty. What happens in the autumn seasons? Leaves shed off. You can see here, just wait. Okay, you can see in the book During the autumn season, what happens? The leaves shed off. Can you see? The leaves fell off from the trees and they are so dried that whenever you walk on that leaves, crush, the sound comes crush like this. And the environment looks so beautiful because the red leaves are on the trees. These kind of red leaves means they are getting dried. Okay, the leaves under your feet crunch as you walk, and red color leaves on the trees look pretty. In some countries, the autumn is also called fall. We also say it fall season. In the autumn season, trees shed their leaves, means trees leave their leaves. Some trees change their colors also, like maple leaf change color from green to red. Okay, uh, the maple leaves change the color from green to red. The green leaves are there, but it changes into red. Is it clear? Okay. Now, it is now autumn, means it is the month of September, October, and November. 3 months autumn season is there. There is lot of corns. Can you see there? Cucumbers, capsicum, and you can see this spinach is there. Fine. So different fruits and vegetables comes in different season. Okay, what happens to your hair and eyes when a strong wind blows? What happens to your hair? It also blows. Okay, it blows like this. When there is strong wind, our hairs also fly. Okay, our eyes gets dirt. Okay, all the dust can gets into our eyes. Give two words which rhyme with the word tree. You have to write two words which rhyme with the word tree. Free, you can write free, right here, tree, free. Okay, you can write three, tree, three, free. Okay, any rhyming words you can use. REE sounds should come in the end. Fine? Clear, children? So please revise this unit C nicely. Okay, study this unit C nicely. So now let's write a daily diary. Write the date on the top. Do page number 21 and 22. Okay, you have to learn rhymes and one kavita given on page number 21 and complete your page number 22. Okay, so revise it, do your work, and if you have any queries, you can ask me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.